Hi guys, this is Sauna Murmu and you are watching Media Babu TV। अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ नीचे रेड बटन है दबाइए और सब्सक्राइब करिए, और हाँ बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, क्योंकि इससे आपको मेरे आने वाले सभी वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा। तो आज हम लोग किस तरीके से रिवर्स वीडियो बनाया जाता है सीखेंगे, तो अंत तक इस वीडियो को देखते रहिएगा। और एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ, बहुत दुख लगता है भाई जब आप लाइक बटन नहीं दबाते हैं और सब्सक्राइब बटन नहीं दबाते हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि हम आपको खुशी ही नहीं दे पाए। तो चलिए सीखते हैं कि रिवर्स वीडियो कैसे बनाया जाता है।
So the first step is to have a video you would like to reverse, and here you can see I have record a video. Then the next step is to go to your Play Store in your Android, and here open it, as you can see that. Okay, so now the third step is to reverse movie FX option. You have to type it and there you will get the app. And as you can see, I've already installed this app. You can install the app and then you can open it. The next step is to click start reverse button. You can see this option here. And next is to choose movie, which is already in your folder, and you select the movie, and then you can select the both endings, the length you would like to have for this video. So here I have selected this length, the ending frame, and the next step is to click on the start button that is at the bottom. So here I click, and the next option is to include the audio from your movie, and you can choose not to include it, and then you can click on the start reversing button. As you can see this, the video is loading and your work has been started. So wait for a while as your work is done. So here you get your video reversed. You can share this video with your friends and enjoy the show, and do not forget to subscribe it.
One, two, three, start। हिल गया है।
కిందకి వచ్చి
बैठ जाना। ओके स्टार्ट।